I think this house would look great if it's upgraded. This is the property right here. Oh my goodness, now there's mold inside the house. So there's mold all over the ground. There's mold in the house. If there is mold in the house, that is an issue that you should have told me. You can't have any mold inside the house and sell it to somebody. Oh, crap. All right, so in this video, I am gonna actually go over and show you when you've got to move and get out of your property, what do you do? That's what we're gonna be talking about in this video. Arrive to the property, picking up, getting our paperwork and our camera equipment. At this property right here, we are actually gonna be discussing with the homeowner because he needs to move right now. So I just arrived, and what I've got to do right now is get all the paperwork. We got to evaluate the property, and he needs to sell like as quickly as possible. And I'm just gonna have a conversation with him, see if we could actually solve that problem of him leaving the property as quickly as possible and getting money in his pocket as quickly as he possibly can so he can take care of an issue that he has personally. So we'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know. See ya. Oh yeah, and this is the property right here. So just to educate you a little bit, whenever we go to a property and we're walking in a neighborhood now, a couple things that I'm looking for. Number one, I've got to look for any kind of repairs that are needed inside that property, meaning roof is number one, because this is an investment. So we've got to understand what needs to be upgraded. The windows, the central AC unit, the structure of the property, everything needs to change because we need to get another homeowner in that property, and our properties have to be the top of the line. So meaning all of our properties, we always strip down, we put granite countertops in all of them, stainless steel appliances, brand spanking new kitchens and baths. We make it that somebody feels like they get a great deal. So right now I'm looking at the side of the house because I'm worried about there's mold in the house and it seems like it could be an issue. Here's the front of the house. It looks good, but I'm worried about the windows. All right, so the biggest thing now is the doggone tree. This tree is right over the house. We have to cut this down. This is gonna be expensive. Oh my goodness, now there's mold inside the house. So there's mold all over the ground. It's probably inside the drywall. It's in everywhere. Now we gotta look at also the kitchen. We're looking at, there's just a lot of stuff in this property that I didn't know about. And there's cobwebs everywhere. I mean, this is gonna be some serious work. It's not bad at all. It's a little bit more work than what we're used to. It's just a total upgrade. So it is what it is. We just got to make it happen. No, I understand. Just a total upgrade. We're upgrading the bathrooms, the kitchens. Everything's getting granted. Everything's going to be brand new. And yeah, this is going to be some work, but can't wait until it's finished. So we'll see how this turns out. Let's see if negotiations go well. That's a good thing. All right, so I had to step out because I actually forgot a document. So we are negotiating a little bit right now, and the main reason why is because there's mold in the house. If there is mold in the house, that is an issue that you should have told me. We've got to fix the mold, but that takes thousands and thousands of dollars, and you got to dig into the wood. You don't know if it got any electricity. You don't know. You can't have any mold inside the house and sell it to somebody. Oh, crap. You've got to fix that issue, and that can be a huge issue. We'll see what we can do. I mean, I think this house would look great if it's upgraded and really do up this entire neighborhood. It will just bring up the entire neighborhood, bring up everybody else's value inside that home, inside their neighborhood. We just gotta come to terms. We'll see what happens. Right now, and he loves the car, so we just with the seller right now, and he loves the car. Too funny. All right, so the Southbrook deal is going through. I'm actually with my boys now. I'm gonna see a friend of mine, but we actually came to terms, so we're gonna be fixing up the property. So we're gonna be fixing the mold inside the property. The kitchen has to be torn out. Flooring has to be redone. Both bathrooms are going to be totally remodeled. We're going to get everything complete as quickly as possible. We have to put granite back into the property, stainless steel appliances. We're putting all wood kitchen cabinets back into the property, giving it curb appeal, and it's got about less than it's like a half an acre of land. So watch the journey. Leave a comment. What would you do if you had all that work to do? Like, what would you do in that situation? Tell me. And just watch the journey, and we're going to be documenting all the properties that we go to and sharing the story of every single property, from the Southbrook property to every single one, and while it's actually happening. So again, this is not a film crew. This is just a guy with an iPhone that has a smart son that actually goes to a really cool school. He doesn't want to smile. This is non-smiling face. That actually he goes to Harrison, so they teach, you know, video. So he tells me that I have to hold the camera in front of my face. So anyway, see you guys later. Bye. All right, so we do have it under contract, and hopefully inspections go well, and this is going to go great. It was amazing in the visual. Can't wait to just get to this property. And man, this fireplace is freaking amazing. I can't wait until this thing's done.